New movie with a whole soundtrack. You know what I mean? So if it's first time watching this channel, do subscribe. And this is not the same movie. This is a different movie, different character, different flavors. You know what I mean? But this is the same soundtrack, similar scenario. Watch it. Leave a comment. And sorry if you go through some of these things that's in this movie. Let's go.
Take it up, take it up, take it up. Curious King. We all have a problem. Jamie Wood. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve the problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than all you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her with belt, sometime you fight her. You box her, you kick her because you not like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than all you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter. No, no, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better.
So guys, can I use this here? Are you ready? Of course. I love a baby. I told them no. There you go, stop. I told them me carry. You don't have you can get them. Who wear lash? Me. I told them me by the way, buy two everything. So buy two that that. She want too much out of life. We go carry home but on cheap so. Because of fear. But I love them music that we bring. Nah, bye. Make care one too, yeah? Poppy. I love them music we bring us together. So where's Kay? Anyway. Where's Kay? Where's Kay? Where's Kay? Oh, you guys don't like her so much. Why?
Long story. Long story.
Then cut you short, no?
Alright, let me tell you. That's a Kay father. Kay father and mommy. They have saved up some money so she can get to go overseas and that we can have a better life. You understand? Remember, so with the young them time, you know. You know what man go do? Take the money, go mind people, woman. Go mind people, woman with the money and then kill him. And I say, okay, you know. Say, okay, so find out we just blame her. Man, go overseas right now.
You guys were very young. Besides, she has nothing to do with that. I don't care. That's very stupid, guys. Nobody said my sister because of that?
Yeah. Yeah.
They not already start already.
And she make we are living in poverty. We are pooper. Yes, the pooper.
But anyways, Never leave now.
Alright.
There are more things next time.
When I come back to you, eh? When I come back.
Probably next week or probably in a week.
Girl,
You know,
food and
we always busy. I have a lot of things to do and
lobster
stuff like
and
that.
come back here.
Try to do. Oh, you want?
More things. More money. And clothes and then.
Them
food just high now.
Brittany. Oh, yeah. So me I go with the bag, girl. Hold on. So we're gonna enjoy on the day now.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, later. Alright. Bye.
What me do so much? I get one I man, I can't talk, you know. But you know you look more. One of them papa are good. Give me the taco. Bomba, na song taco. Yes, she me and done. Why? If you die, go there. Jesus Christ. Yeah.
But what time now? 4:32. It's early. Come on. You're on ground. Jesus. Can't bother now. Can't say good.
Lizard.
I can't bother now. Sure.
What?
Come here. Or where you there? Come look here where you're putting them to me now.
What am I telling them to you? So you know what am I telling them to?
So come look now. You don't treat me like one. Treat me slim my you fat.
I want this man.
Shoot that there. Come look here, man.
And that's why you have to go on back down here, your people them. Sure. You know making you go on your father yard, you know.
Might as well.
One, you forgot to your people them yard. Every minute you just a call me so.
Come now.
What problem? One man?
Me can't answer that question.
Ask me whatever you want to ask me.
Me
One.
ban ballad. Look what you're putting them to me.
So
but
what?
when it comes to giggling, giggle. I hear gone.
So you come back, what problem?
Me ear gone.
So what you mean your ear gone? So what? You look good ballad.
You really mean that?
Of course, I mean, if me really mean that, you look good ballad. After all, you're in the house, you're not comb your ear, you're not doing. So if them trim you nothing wrong, you look good ballad. Stay with the ballad.
You see, if you was my mother,
What you
see you,
What you would do?
so mommy,
What you would really do now?
me give them hard time to become my ear.
Go back down to your father people them yard.
Stop calling father.
Go back down
That's
to your father people them yard. You just there terrorize the place, so if you don't comb your head, them gonna trim you.
so it's okay if them cut my ear.
Of course, you don't say you look better. Talk truth. Looking at the going to the bathroom and looking at the mirror. You don't look good. You don't look better.
I'm tired of this.
Me tired of you too. Go on your father yard, down your people them yard, go down there.
You know, say me and you not related. Me could have never be related.
Them should have trim you, them should have go low with your ear.
Mommy, you're my mother.
What you gonna do?
Shut up, every night.
What you gonna do?
Mommy, stop it.
What you gonna do?
Mommy, stop it.
What you gonna do?
Mommy!
Go to your people them yard. Go to your people them yard. And take up the salt of your toe. But mommy, why?
man.
Let me tell you, mommy. Here up on the phone, I saw how she go put you in style now here. So I'm just style her hair for you.
Yeah.
So the style you get? You say you want style and them style you. What problem? Now you say you want style and them style you. Them a barber? Yeah, barber? You have money?
But look at
You have money for the barber?
So I'm not your fault. You know my mother to provide.
Me? I don't have no manners, girl, picnic. You have manners?
Mama!
I have freedom water, you have manners?
me have 2% dirty clothes they want to wash.
They were on them, but they were
I'm sure you have to turn them and get dirty now.
Me have 2 underwear in the so I wash them.
Tell them come here because she don't have no manners.
Alright. I'm gonna talk. What I really do know? What? You my mother? You my real mother?
Yeah, but your father.
Look here, hey! I'm not don't trouble our ear again. Just go and stay with them, your body. Get a look good, look better than that. Go try, go throw with them something out of the house. Throw them something out of the house. I'm not trouble our
I need to wash my clothes. I wash that, and hurry up so you wait so long.
Remember, this
So
one
me
can
done
make
in
it.
this.
I'm here go back in this, I don't want nobody call me again. Nobody.
Take it up, Curious King. We all have a problem. Jamaican. Check it up. Trouble. Let's solve the problem. It's not right. You love one more than all you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her because sometimes you fight her. You box her, you kick her because you no like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than all you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turn.
She now come take it up.
Come take up your ear, girl.
Look, girl.
Mommy,
Come take up your ear. Oh, what is doing?
she know what.
Come take them. She have to wash them.
Hello, I wash them.
Come take up your dry head. Something out here. Come. Take them up. But you're out here, but mother. You think I'm not here, yeah?
Take them up.
Look here. I don't want nobody stressing me out. I don't know alone I have.
Yeah.
She take her father jeans, shirt, everything. You
I
understand?
don't want daddy shirt. You know, our father should not have daddy.
I don't want nobody stressing me out.
something.
Here?
This is a shame, no?
I love them here.
I love it too.
Mommy,
Stop shining.
Every time you're up on mommy.
she have a breed pie and she will shake your man.
I have a
mercy on.
I don't want to come and stress out my children them.
Yeah. At least
I don't want to come stress them out. Are you one breeder? You must have mouth of a breeder.
I should not breed me. I have mommy breed me.
Breed up in this now. Come.
Roll up in this now.
None of them have no
Roll up in
money.
this
Are you
now.
alone have man boat ya?
I'm there for
So
real,
leave
in
them
the
alone.
field, field.
Come. Look
Yes,
at
yes,
stand
yes,
up. Sit down. Sit down and stand.
Nice see you.
What is?
You will need me. You will need me. I say you. I shall suffer.
She not suffer.
You don't have
You
to
will
worry.
never live long and physician suffer.
Yeah.
She not suffer. We don't have problem. She not suffer. What is it together? That's her.
Ooh. Chef, you know mommy? I'm going around and come around there too.
I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter.
Wow. Okay, you're bubbling good, man. What's the suit name?
Don't even know what's up.
Showing up your apple like that.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, sorry about that. Wow. So what's the new style you're doing there? What are you doing?
I don't even know. I'm just here exercising. You want to join me?
How that giant? When I say giant, what do you mean by giant? In the bedroom or out here?
Out here, of course.
Into public?
You have to start from outside to inside.
No, I'd rather start in the inside. Oh, Jesus. Your mother knows it. Boxer. Hallelujah! Yeah! Look more, yeah? Every time I might breathe your backside.
You're too extra. Amazing, sir.
Don't worry, okay. You're the better one.
I think. Huh? You're not easy, sir. You're not easy.
The apple so mother, good boy.
When I get that?
Listen, your apple. Soon have some of them on a runway, but not me. Cause me, no, say you can't mother, you know. You can't fool like me, no, say I pad up that.
You want to compete it? Thou shall not judge. You're not easy,
Bring it come back home. That tease me, alright.
So it's there?
Yeah, I'm going to church because you just teased me a while ago.
I like your shirt too.
Thanks,
You
yeah?
compliment the thing what me I wear.
Yeah, man. You must make it in a life, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Wow, Miss Betty. What am I telling Miss Betty? Your daughter. Me never know say you have apple fat.
Apple fat.
Me see her now want look blue. Me don't know if I rump her or rump her. Well, you must know. She did where you call them with the woman then do?
Exercise.
Yeah, they come like it a jump out.
What is dropping out?
The apple.
The apple are drop out.
Your daughter's sweet and sexy.
Yeah.
The one that the better one.
Yeah.
But
So where you watch me daughter for?
what? Me now watch her. She a carry come. You know, she a carry come for me feeling what she said later. So
Yeah.
that's alright. She big enough. Remember, say a big girl, that's enough. The bright one.
Yeah. She bright till she really carry the apple come and give you. Okay.
And my name Adam, you know.
Your name Adam and she a Eve.
Yeah.
Alright.
I got to write the Bible and away.
Alright.
My princess gone.
Mommy? How are you? Well, alright, how are you doing here? Now exercise.
Yeah, exercise. Okay.
You want to come join me?
Yeah man, me go join you. I want you go for something for me do in the house. Cause I want to go down the road to somebody want the belt, one black belt with one gold something on it. Just can't come to me, please. I want to fix it. Somebody down the road want to fix it for me.
You sure, mommy?
Yeah man, hurry up, Kay.
I'm going to beat you, go beat me.
Kay, hurry up and go for the belt. Not too much talking.
In your room?
Just go right there.
Alright. It's the one black one with gold on it?
Yeah, it has the gold on it.
beat a little bit, mommy.
Beat your foot and pass it here. See for the belt, yeah. Yeah, something for me want fix. Something for this one fix.
So you have to talk to mommy?
Because I want to see if it can fix. If it's have the length for fix. You know them way there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have to check it out if it have length for can fix. Yeah.
So you get...
So come here now. Come here. Come here, tell you. Oh, you there, boy, Yash. Hope and you give apple. What kind of apple you give man for putting them on?
Me?
Where you wear out here? Where you wear out here? Eh?
Mommy!
Where you wear out here?
Mommy,
Eh?
pick
What kind of apple you wear out here? Eh?
Mommy, no.
What kind of apple you wear? I don't even know what kind of apple you wear. Come here, girl. Mother yourself. Go in there. Go in. Come here. Stand up. Stand up. All in a dark man yourself. Go in the house. Go in the house. Go in the house. Go in. Go in.
Mommy, no, go in.
Up in the door and go in. Let them out of order. Man, you look.
No, I can't explain.
Up in the door. You take too long.
We don't know.
You take too long.
Can't believe you read that.
Man, you look.
No, man,
Man, you look.
no, not me out.
So, oh, yeah, man, I tell me boy, my wear your apple. What kind of wear apple are
Mommy,
you?
I
am and you are Eve. Go in.
You believe, man, over your wonder.
Go in. Open the door now.
The door now. The door pull out. The door pull out.
Door full. Door absent. Door. Open the door.
Brittany!
Door
I
absent.
had to put it home, yeah, Dave.
Open the door.
And now I'm moving to Brittany!
Imagine me I come from down.
Talia! Put the door now.
Me I come from down the road and boy I tell me about him name Adam and you name Eve because he want wear your apple. And you carry the apple go make him wear in a hand. Man, yeah.
No.
Man, yeah.
You believe I want.
Me say fi open the door. I presume me no want go in now.
I can't open the window. What the fuck is this?
You want to go? I presume me no want go.
Please. Mama, I beg you, please. You couldn't just come and ask me.
Ask you?
Okay.
You all are telling boy in yellow shirt match your blue that's sitting the way you have on, eh?
Mommy, never
No
tell
man,
you.
no man here look and him fi come feel it. Eh? You hear that?
Wait a second. Wait. I am so incompetent.
Me say fi go in. Go.
Good morning, Pickles.
Morning.
Sister there. So you're saying there?
Yeah, she there.
Alright.
Oh.
What on?
Come back here, sir. Me go call you. Go call you. Cause father, they may see your hand nail light, you know. Step outside, please.
You know what I don't like.
Step outside. Step out.
All them
Step
sitting
outside.
here.
Me calling for your call.
You know,
Me see your hand nail light, you know.
you know, I don't like young woman angle me door. Like
Don't
me
call
a
her,
fugitive. That's something like my people yard now. Get out disrespect. Girl like black all in my face too. All them are sitting here. When I come back here, you know. That's how my hand light. For your hand light, your woman, your hand lighter than a man.
Me calling for you.
Something like my people yard now. Like I get on my face too.
Okay. You let the thief in brother come to you.
Excuse me? Don't do it.
You see a thief
Girl,
in brother
don't do
come
it.
to you.
Style me when you know don't stand my brother. Apologize.
To who?
To me and my brother, you rank. Outside about thieving brother. What you know about my brother, girl? Don't worry about that. Actually, you're brotherless. Rubbish.
Oh, bad na po ako ng trouble mo. I know he can't come. Must be like a bill care around this.
So me never like a grill.
No protest and board up in our son.
So who never come in?
You do have to do all the work. You tell me that. I wait for you to lang. I don't still test us now.
So you come in here for?
Current na with thief. No, not with thief. Top thief.
You got thief.
Call Kate.
You can eat it to come. You can eat it to come.
Okay, that come. That's why I make a buy a mansion and take him from your side. Because I don't like when I treat my sister here.
Morning, brother, how are you?
So you go past the door?
Sorry, sis, I know the door stay ready from ever since. You know, really, I work good.
Well, I come to talk to you now. I can go this now.
Alright, okay, no problem, cool.
Come on now.
Yeah, man. Sis, no go okay, my girl.
I think I like it.
How are good then now, brother?
I know say I told me I come from. Long time I not say no sis.
So where you do a town?
You know say I get a look at work up the door.
So tell me about it now.
Well, you know say I bag me a pack in a supermarket up there. You see it kind of change things, you see it. At least me stop for and take people things or something.
Then brother, might as well just do something sensible. You get your honest bread, you understand? You make your honest money, so that's still good. Now watch no face, you hear me?
Yeah man, well, differently doing no me carry some look at fashion things for you know.
Really?
You know, I mean I love these things. I come to Christmas and I can wreck a grand market and Christmas Eve, you know?
For true. For true.
Yeah, man.
Raj, I'm doing today.
We are talking about
Hello, morning.
Good
You
morning.
did over me at this morning.
me.
Yes,
You see me Shada?
Bridging. Me miss the son Julie, you know.
I care me.
Youth, are you alone did over my house?
Me. I don't me take a jewel them.
A long time you know say a thief, you know.
Well, long time you know say me a thief, but now me change. Stop take people things.
You think you know Julie come here? Thiefing boy Raj, you lucky say me name go to my man. Eh? You know who my man be? Eh? Look at dirty thiefing boy. Give me something them.
Mama, I joke me a make man. My name him take them up in a bus once you don't react.
Give me them.
So what you mean by how you don't react? A prank here, a prank and did a prank me too. And if I meet and I don't mind them again. And I may buy them for.
teeth.
You know what I say, top teeth, brother? Or how are this now? This is Grace on my yard?
You know, see a prank with that prank it to no.
Prank who?
And he catch you, but he couldn't catch she because she know.
See you?
You know what?
I show you my brother and I show my love you. Stop thief and stop disgrace me. Boy, you top thief.
You know what?
Early morning, disgrace on my yard. Come on, man. I didn't even invite you here.
Thiefing boy.
Boy, you come carry jewel, but I can't even talk
Make sure you
properly.
don't come back to my yard, you know. Make sure you don't come back to my yard out thiefing boy, you know. Because I'm going to set up my man pie, you know. Can't believe this. I see your brother stay for your own best friend.
I think I'm change.
Make sure you don't come back to my yard out thiefing boy, because I'm going to set up my man pie, you know. Thiefing boy, I'm catch up back to my yard, you know. Because I'm going to set up my man pie, you know.
Alright, relax now. Go on, man. Go on. You disgrace me.
And I have to see, you know.
Different to do.
Yo,
Alright, let's just talk.
it's a girl. Different.
Hi, Joe. What's that? The job. Give me the job, thieving boy. Boy, bring back the job. Thieving boy.
Murder! Wait! Wait! Look at them, Mr. West, I mean, one dog, man.
A thief, I want a thief. A thief now. No ramp with me. No ramp with me. I am it. Come brother alone. Your brother alone. I am next one. You eat that? You eat that? You can't see me a war and I come in and hit. Let me go.
Hello, stop.
You can't see me a war and I come in. Watch me here later. I got mash her up. You see me?
Listen to me now. Where you find my brother for?
So this you call me out to the house for. You call me to the house to watch people business. Now me end up in a fight. You see,
Where you find my brother for?
Go on down. Because your brother a thief. And I don't like thief. And he come in me yard come thief. So me mash him up the ramp with me.
At least you don't want thief an ugly look.
Here, look at you. Pat a cuss
When we see
keckle.
next time, we going to mash
Pat
him up.
a
Just
cuss
let him know.
keckle.
Happy birthday, Kay. Mom. Today is my birthday! Let me check the phone to clarify. My God. It's the 30th of September. Thank you, Jesus. I'm alive and well. I'm so happy. I'm going to call Mom. Happy birthday, Kay. So sweet. Oh, my. Some glasses. Mommy. Good morning. Thank you so much for the birthday gift. I saw it on my bed just now. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, I do like it. What you just said? Oh, Ali and Brittany picked it out for me. Wow, I know they love me, you know. I know them love me, I just tough love, and I know you love me too. Because if you guys ever love me, you guys would have chosen to me, you know, mommy. Yes, mommy, thank you so much. Thank you. I know you love me. Come on, alright. I'm gonna call Barb now, alright? Thanks. This nice thing, man. My favorite color, which is green. I love it. It's nice. You know, so Ali and Brittany have taste though. I never know some sisters them have taste. No, sir. Call Barbie. Good morning, Barbie. Yes, girl, it's my birthday. Yes. What do you mean by? Today is the 30th of September, my birthday. Yes, girl. So what do you plan to do? Will you come by later? Wait, so that's a must? Okay. Make sure you're a girl. Yes. Can you believe it that I even received a gift from mom just now? A nice green outfit for my birthday. My 18th birthday, as a matter of fact, girl. Yeah, girl. I like it. But anyways, yeah, man, just look for me. And please, girl, I'm gonna come with too long on them. Yeah, my birthday, I'm excited, bad. Yeah, man, tell a boyfriend I, alright? See you later, my friend. Thank you. Mwah. Later. Okay. Let's try it on. Ali and Brittany. Go Tolly. It's my birthday. Go hey, it's my birthday. Hey, Aliyah. Go Tolly. Go Kay. It's my birthday. I'm gonna party like it's my birthday. Hey. It's my birthday. I wanna party like it's my birthday. Go Kay. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my 18th birthday. Hey! It's my birthday. It's my anyways, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my anyways, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey! It's my birthday. Birthday. Hey. Make a leave when no one talk to me, but anyways, I still don't appreciate one gift, right? You don't understand? More one gift. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey.
Hoy. So, just because you look a green just round there, you feel like say you must somebody. For your birthday not even nice yet. For your birthday did nicer. Not even for me birthday did nicer. Because my man big cake in my ice cream and she did keep party for me. I'm thinking, you have money, you look rich. Oh, no, never just you. I just got me out. No. Look, see me, I'm cute. Back side, where's your money? If you have money, you can send me a number. If me meet the guy, how me send you a number? You know, no brother, no cousin, and them people there. We can go look, we can check. Ask him now. Yeah, money to not true. And rich people mail to them. What number? Can't scam them. Ask him. Some people don't know yet and they don't know.
Sisters!
Relationship not so close. Don't come
Why
up
you do
with
that? Today's my birthday.
Oh, look, so.
This is the same outfit that mom bought me for my birthday. Don't you all like it?
Well, you can let you out enough with your door. I know look good.
Oh, now mommy buy it at the store, so how come she don't like it? She even saw on the pick it out for her, so how come she don't like the outfit? You know, hypocrite, you know?
Oh, yeah, I can't hypocrite. Like I'm papa with there. You know, some things that they want funeral, mommy buy just so you go. Right there, so. I never know say a birthday present. That's why I pick it. Although I would want to worse or negative, but me never did not see the birthday.
I'm gonna supposed to.
Shut up. You know, Papa that no sisters. Anyway, so there's my big 18 fabulous birthday. And I
Oh, when I buy nothing for you. You could cry and sell.
You guys are the worst. You guys remind me of Cain and Abel in the Bible. Imagine today's my birthday, not even a gift. I have to be washing you guys' dirty, smelling clothes. And you guys treat me so bad. Why?
You didn't know it's your birthday? You didn't know it's your birthday?
You don't know the Shaban?
Let me see the one on before we give a proper gift today. Get a body in your room and shut your mouth. Okay.
Yes? Who that?
I mean,
Come here,
girl,
girl.
I'm going happy birthday. Hello,
Thank you, sweetie.
Sorry, me you're happy. You know, say that already slipped my mind, girl. Sorry, but get your favorite ice cream cake. Happy birthday again, girl.
Thank you, God. I love you too. At least somebody still can remember me. I like those.
But we can't stay in a girl, man. What you say? You have to,
Alright, I'll call you. Be safe.
Yeah, man.
And cancel again.
Alright.
It's my birthday.
Hey! Hey, come here! Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Come on, girl!
I know you guys love me. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh my God.
Come on, girl!
I'm coming.
Put it down now! Put it down!
I'm coming, man. This
You
is
surprise our own way now? Just drop the bomb.
She get tricked.
Open the door now.
That look Kobe.
Brittany. Alia.
Oh, no, so.
You want to play? You want this? It's good? No, I don't want to play.
Open the door now. Brittany. Alia. I'm a birthday and I'm going to treat me. Brittany. Alia.
We get no. Alright, me see how much you know. Jesus Christ. What that did? I know I'm with me. I can't get the man, you know.
Open the door now. Brittany. Alia. I'm a birthday and I'm going to treat me. Brittany. Alia. Brittany! Alia! Wanna stop it now, my birthday or not? Brittany! Alia! Open the door now,
Happy birthday. How was the surprise? Surprise nice.
So this is the cake. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. If I didn't have my birthday, and I don't even remember my birthday, my friend carries up and come give me and near me. I look what I leave me, but I don't like what I do. But I don't like it. I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing the same thing. But I like it. But I like it. I care what I want to do. But I just get up and hit me. I'm doing the same thing. I care what I want to do. But I just get up and hit me. I couldn't even buy me one gift for my birthday as a sister. But I don't want to come near me things on my I'm gonna get come near me. No want you to me no dog. No good like. No want that.
I want. Hi. Even think I want more come, man. Did nice, no, I'm not trying to lie. You want the cake out there? Go for it. Yeah, here I come.
Careful, oh, because the problem will never done. You're gonna face the judgment, sure as a shining sun. She's gonna be, yeah. Oh, she gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. Wicked mother, wicked dada. Don't hurt the kids and no abuse, no abuse.
Mommy,
Yes, sir?
money I come back home.
Is what?
You see, I picking them, I not like them, Imagine say to them my birthday and my friend named Barbie carry something for me and them eat it off and I left none for me.
Well, your friend named Bradley?
Barbie, me say mommy Barbie. Like Barbie dolly, like Cinderella Barbie.
You always have some friend with some funny name. Anyways, what you say your friend do now?
Carry one cake for me. One ice cream cake, my favorite one. And Alia and Brittany eat it up. I want to leave one little piece to me. I want to see little beanie piece like my fingernail.
So you never had intent to share with them?
Yes, but I mean for sure, mommy. I must have my birthday, you know. Them eat as them like.
Remember, say them bigger than you. Them bigger than you, you know, so you have to learn to share what you talk about. You're going like I say, so me grow you. And so me grow, no? Eh? Me ever make little one share? Get the big one? The big one, them share, get the little one. What you talk about?
Today's my 18th birthday, mommy. They don't have any right. I'm the one supposed to share it with them, not for them to share my cake with me. It's my birthday. What are you talking about?
You're lucky, so you have birthday. You're lucky. But today is my 8th. Look here, little girl. Don't give me no attitude over the phone, neither. Don't give me no attitude over the phone. You're lucky, so you have birthday that somebody can hear. Birthday can carry. When name they come to you. When we say name ice cream cake and your birthday friend.
Yeah, you see all the just where if a bag give me for my birthday, you want to see them I go and say don't look nice. And you even tell me say them select the dress, me one green dress. Them I talk about say don't look nice, that look like all woman na this. And you buy the dress to me. Me not like them, you know.
But if you look like all woman, what you expect people to say? What you expect them to tell you say you look nice? Birthday tell you say you look good nice?
What?
Birthday tell you say you look good nice?
Barbie, a Barbie, Miss a Barbie. Barbie, mommy? Barbie.
When a birthday we hear.
A Barbie, me say.
Yeah, birthday. She tell you say you look nice tonight?
She never say, but me know say me look nice.
And why again?
Mommy, why you behave so, mommy? At least me know say not like me study now.
You know, a country, me no business where you talk about. A country media right now, I look some gun provision that me can come make when I get something to eat. You come torment me about your birthday, cause your ice cream cake and all the sort of something. But then I look some gun provision that me can come back at the yard and cook something you know for them. You come and call my phone about birthday. This is with you and birthday and ice cream cake. You for share with your sister them. You're too mean. You look a girl, that's why you look like a maga so.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, you're too mean. Anyways, the day in the bush as me tell you, so look how more me talk to you. Share with your sister them.
Call them and talk to them, mommy. You know, call them and talk. Call them and talk to them.
Look how girl don't stress me out. Me not call nobody and talk to them. They're bigger than you're supposed to share. Anyways, later for you at the bush.
Whatever.
I'm no manners.
Are you grown? Anyways, love you, mommy.
Wicked mother,
Boy, I'm up in the
We
knees, like how
keep
you
that
call me.
dark. Don't hurt the kids and no abuse, no abuse. I'm tired of this when I watch the news. Come on, come on, come on. Not if the road not going good. Not take a board, not down your daughter. I lick out a piece of.
Hello? Girl, Miss Haley was like, my mom will go out and look up on the beach or something. I just fear stress. Fear problem. Oh, you must have watched the background nice. I'm never dark about.
We should never back area. Mother, you see this in a young girl.
What place? Can I say
Me call up
The place on map. What is please?
Sister, what is it now, sister?
All this please? What about now?
I was talking on my phone.
You know this boy,
They look. But I can't look for the dirt spot here. Map up the place.
Map truck man. Map truck. We want the pan phone and we don't know allow for the pan phone right now like you. You're supposed to work. You're the maid in the yard.
Even plate, they know wash up it. Map up the place. But feel like what I want to
Yeah,
beach. That was beach.
And not just think about neighbor dog about. We are neighbor dog bark. I'm here to talk to.
Mommy.
Map the place.
Mommy, don't have time for all this, please. Map the place, please. And now start with me. Do not start with me.
It's the since I wake up and I want a nice day. And I want a very nice day.
Now in my room, mommy.
You
They come out in the hall, we sit down and try. Well, I steady been on the phone. Mommy.
Woman, tell them, man.
Map up the place.
It's okay, I'm a wipe it, but please, don't just sit on one place so I can wipe it in peace. Just sit on one place.
Come here, this girl.
I know some love in her that don't not like me.
Everyone need a love.
Mommy.
They come on one daughter, but I shall wipe in Jesus' name.
Hello, me
my
not
God.
talking with you now.
Me just wipe it on your spill. I want to see
Mop up with something.
Come see this girl, man, what to push you.
you. Sister, why you do that, sister?
Mom, no. Take up that too. Slow now.
Mop up the place. You just stay over there. Yap. You just a chat, sir.
And
Mop
the
up the place.
I'm sorry, who does that?
Say two buckle over there, so take them up.
Every day, them someone must call.
Oh my God!
What the hell?
What the gift, sir? This needs to stop.
Hello, this is what me.
Put down my nice delicate skin, yeah, make them up the touch, you know.
You want them up to touch my daughter delicate skin? Eh? You want them up to touch her? You really want them up to touch her skin?
Sister,
Eh?
just map up the
Water
place.
is there, she can always bathe. They know
Water
that.
is here, she can always be here, take up the buckle them. I'm up at the place. You're not supposed to have no chatting with them, you know. All you need for that is map the place. You come out, look for her. You know, so she's nice and dark.
Yes.
Eh?
She won't pass for the next because she want to enter the
Take up the buckle them. But you look like she a mad.
She a mad, she kind of insane, man. You see with her.
She a mad.
What's her?
You look like me have to go
Oh my God.
people they down the road. They
Look
come
how you
from
jump off
there
the
and
ketchup.
there.
You jump off the ketchup.
Go to their view, but I look like you're mad. You look like you're mad.
We have a very few patients.
Everywhere we go, I abuse. Community I abuse, mother abuse. We're not supposed to protect me. My sister, them,
Me
my
look
love
like me
me.
abuse you. Me look like me abuse you. I touch you.
This is abuse.
Me
Mental
touch you.
abuse.
Mental abuse. Me touch you.
Physical abuse.
Physical. Me touch you.
Physical
Touch
touch.
is physical abuse. Me touch you.
We touch you.
Yo, shut up now.
And you can't wipe the place for me. But feel them dropping them. You make them drop me. You drop me.
Yeah,
But what you know, man?
Hallelujah. Great.
Praise
girl.
Put it on your mommy. Yeah, mommy, Peter.
You just want to rest on my house. Baby, come hurt yourself, man. Get up, man. Sure. Stand up, man. What's your name? Why you laugh for? What you laughing about? You see what you make up me for? Sure. You see what you make up me for? Myself and it. Sure. Let me tell you, which part you lick?
I asked you not to.
I'm a pressure that little girl I want to go up, you know. I'm a pressure that little girl I want to go up, you know. Lick her, man. Lick her. Sister, Mr. What for yourself, boy? Yes. You drop and hurt yourself. Sister, Mr. Sit down. Look here, move for yourself, man. Move. Go back on that, sir. Go around this, sir. Mr. Move. And clean up the place. Where you take this thing and come with chop. Look here, man. I'm tired too. Everyone is tired too.
Mommy brought this time. Why?
Jesus, man.
I'm not hurt.
Jesus. Which one you say I feel the pain? Which one you feel the pain? Jesus, man. Watch here, man. Let's see what you can.
Give me monkey face.
You see what you You see this one like monkey face? This is face and look like monkey face. Eh? This is face and look like monkey face, yeah. Alright, come. I'm just gonna sit down, man.
Mama just wipe on them.
Sit down.
Please, no.
Yeah, wipe on one.
Just wipe on them. Please, nobody lick me. I'm cussing.
Mommy, I'm going to room here.
Come on, let me my baby. I'm here right to say, you hear, mama? Sit down,
You just not like me.
sit down. You did get damage, my baby. Come in here, sir. Come in here, want to the belly first. Come in. You see your little girl? Just watch me and you in here. Watch with me and you in here. You love problem. Make my people can't sleep good tonight. You hear? Because I know pain where she feel like you she can't drop out. So watch me and you.
No weapon that form against me shall prosper in the name of Jesus.
God of Jesus against you. What?
No weapon that form against me shall prosper. God will fight my battle. I must overcome. I must. I love them and them just not like me.
Girl, her car come now. When the kids are saying about you, now come there after she like food.
So you have to come home and you can't just take a yard, man.
But when I tell you, I'm going to come here. Not the thing. Mommy, how will you let you eat? How is part of potty? Alright.
She said we share equal. Share
No,
even.
you will give me one. Yeah, okay.
A 3 bread me want. A 3 me want too.
If you get 3, I mean get 3. Where can you get the bread
The
back?
bread back. What's wrong?
Wait, I'm getting that more something else. She's up to take. He's up to eat that, guys. She now. Let me take 3, 1 here, 1 for you. 1 for you.
Just take 3, 1.5 for me and 1.5 for you.
She don't need nothing.
She don't need none.
Get your water on it. Wait, let me go with you. 1, 3, no? 3 me want. So
I'm not treating you want to.
so if me get 3 and you get 3, we can get
No bread now.
yeah that we can. Get mommy these are yours. We have 3 sachets, but we have
1.5 for me, 1.5 for you.
cake and yam bread back alone, no eggs.
1.5 egg for me, 1.5 egg for you.
Because I love with this style. Alright, so a knife.
What are they?
Ella. Mom, no, my knife. My knife.
Yeah, they
I
know.
didn't see someone bring mommy.
Just fry them whole up. Alright. Okay. I don't know, Carl. You come
Me
here.
not going to fear you. You're mad.
Hey.
Boy, when I do the car, me like the bun off. You don't do that. Only when me don't fry my things when me call you.
Because I want to say,
Oh, sorry.
you just make it look hard, so I need them to cut up.
Yam barrel. Bigger show. Oh, see the knife here. Cut it. Now cut fair one. 1.5 for me. Okay, if you can't clean up the place now, the girl still asleep. You have no shades that you get 1.5 now.
Just make it done. Make it feel.
What me did want half?
So when you fry, you get half, or you just fry one like that and just cut in at once.
You know that you fry? I finish easily, you know that we do. That's how I do yum. So I can't just come clean up the place, so that me I talk about.
Me can't call him on it and we don't eat. So if you call him,
Remember say we can't call Kate until we don't eat. What if you call him? Show me next time, that's true.
I have to wait till you name and fire him or something I can't call him.
So when it's all good now?
What we have to get the iron?
Where I'll back to you. You know, so the girl there make me and her think because she has to put the things in places where she cook and she now put it back.
Alright man, I'm hungry too.
Well, we done make my good up breakfast. Me I go in the room, cook a coffee, run a mommy room. Cause you know I hear this in the business. So bye.
You try the business with you? I feel broke man.
For yourself. Wagwan. Good morning. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, eat breakfast. You know, some. Lord Jesus, man, just like, stop give me joke. Anyways, me now come for type on your phone. Just ask you for good. Alright, later. We'll link you back. Alright. No.
You came straight to this.
Yeah, okay. Nothing is the time she get up, she can't come wash the plate. When I have to wait, I can't do the draw.
It looks so. Alright. 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 So what is this one? Which machine did that? Alright. Ready. Ready. Alright, Jasmine. Alright. Can do that. 5, 3.
I can't control my cat. Hi.
Why?
Well, me I go overseas. Alright, me I go overseas today. I don't really tell people in business, that's why I don't know. So, you know I care back something for you? Or no I care back for you?
So you could have really asked me that more whole of fart, more hair, more nails, more clothes, more shoes, more everything.
Alright, so me I make Simba take on shoes measurements and size and stuff.
I want the head part too.
What head part?
One wig.
But I need to take a size to that, right?
No.
Me need to get her measurement, shoe size and all those stuff.
No. She's not coming back. I don't know when she'll come back, but she'll not come back for now.
True. So, remember? No, I'm brain then.
No.
So
Here had an extra large, now and a small. You know?
So if
small.
so if she are extra large, you're large. But anyways, leave that. When me and say we okay.
No,
Where's sister K?
she got in a country. She not there.
Me need to get her measurement and shoe size.
We will take care. I don't think she want to go. Okay. Alright.
Maybe set up. Alright, maybe that no one.
Wait. So just because you hope you want to be, that's true.
Not really. Me have to be this. Me go back so like this.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that.
Bye bye. You just change that.
No, girl, me feel like you when I love you.
You look clean. Yeah, like so I get big ass things. Okay, we would have feel good. Can I get nothing? Wow. No, I'm in the fit. I'm in the fit. Don't you apply for me, remember?
Why bet me not play
You bet she caught up in your brain. Could they? See, we're not 6 black.
Well, you can block.
4.
Black.
6.
Not come back for no. I mean, I don't know when she'll come.
Alright, me take my time late now, so me leave you now. Come give me a hug.
Bye.
I kiss you and kiss me, girl. Come.
Sorry. You want everything. You want everything.
Can I get everything?
Yeah, here you come.
Bye. You don't be that now and stuff.
Boy, you too thief.
Are you a thief? Oh, yeah, wait there. Can we throw it?
Give me fit one.
No. My turn to choose. Come. I'm win the last game.
You win what?
Good morning, sisters.
Morning.
Anyway, I'm hungry. Anything for me to eat?
Yeah, mommy, it's breakfast in the tea.
What? Your tea?
We don't know
what in there.
Drink water. We don't know if you tea in there.
But come on, my sis. Come on, too nice to talk to you. What's the problem?
Because your chest too high. That's the problem.
So yeah, I chose to fast.
Because I'm making fish with tea.
Tell man. I'm telling them so they need breakfast. No worries. Wanna be? I think so.
want tea. Sisters, how are this? How are this mommy leave? Queer, bread back. And bun up, we call this plant or fritters. How are this?
My breakfast.
So the tea, how are this?
Look here. Y'all work?
You provide?
Well, soon. Come I can't take them queer.
Come here.
You want some?
We are offer like the dog food day.
Oh, some of the dog.
Yeah, the dog. So you finish it.
Put it
You want some?
Put it on. I want some.
Yeah, sugar for mixed tea. Come on, no sugar, no tea leave.
Boil hot water and drink it.
I can't go to some other sand. I carry from here, brown sand, so you make sugar tea. Later, we get chocolate milk.
Nice chocolate tea.
Yeah.
You need nice chocolate tea. You can get choice chocolate tea. So go in there and go get this thing and mix it out and drink some tea. But when you out of the cup them, you're going to drink that then sand sin thing then.
Mommy, they want all time chimney on about.
Oh, all
You
time.
can drink all time.
True, all time chimney.
Let me mix it for you.
The iron on them.
And so all these disrespect.
Look here.
But no, you come with disrespect at all about mommy precious
What this?
breakfast
What
where
this?
you make.
You eat this? You want some? Eat some, after. Eat some. Come on this.
I will turn your
Okay.
face.
Jai bread.
Okay.
Queer.
One in, cake.
Bitter.
Put some
Wait.
color lower cabbage. Could they?
Take your papa load it.
You can see your Google load. You don't come out here put down your dog food.
Also, made the dog. Okay,
the
so
dog.
mommy leave dog food for the dog. Okay,
Yeah.
which is cake.
One round.
Which is cake. So me a dog now.
Girl, please. Excuse me. You're doing something right.
You know, so I'm gonna eat it because I'm hungry. That's the only reason I'm gonna eat it. But it's all good.
So if a dog hungry, the dog must stand
It's all good. Things have to get better. Woof, woof, woof.
You know, if you stand up on the girl, you can't find it.
Woof, woof.
And we can make that happen.
Have a chat properly.
You gotta style up. And then we can't chat good.
Where did the dice him? Where did that one? Who that?
A 6.
Who that?
A 4 and 2 and a 6. You can't say girl, so you can't chat good. You can't chat good.
You know me beat up, you know.
You can't do it. My turn for you, Matthew. You keep on doing this, I'm not like it. Me stop playing with you. Me don't play with you. Cause
Good morning.
morning.
We don't really like do this, you know. But really and truly, from morning, me walk the street. Kids in the yard, hungry. I look work, there's no work to get or anything, but I'm really hungry. Hello? I'm really hungry.
Oh, you're hungry?
So I don't know if you could give me some whatever you're not eating there or anything.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fit.
Or if now no money can spare, you want $100, I want $200, but that'll be very good.
Well, tell the truth. Right now, one that I'm on the food celebrate, you know.
But about food though, about food and things to eat.
For morning when I eat.
We are so far.
Alright. You look like somebody just eat. Can I get some of my food, please? Anything. Does she not talk?
Yeah, she can't talk.
True.
Alright.
Must be so fine if you walk.
Look.
Alright, thank you.
How nice these are. But so far.
It's closing now. But we just threw you Bombat! Zero that.
Sir, I'm sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm not dumb. I can talk and I can hear you. It's just my sisters, they're not nice as how they seems. Understand? And you say you're hungry. I think you say you're hungry and you want something. So I don't have any cheese, but this is bread. No water. I don't know if you want water, but this is what I actually carry. I hope it will suffice and work well with you. I'm so sorry.
Well, thank you very much. I hope they understand that life is life, and I'm not put myself in this position. It's all the country and how things play out. Because I was on top one time, right? And because of my ways, I fall to the floor. But I know I will get back up there one day. And this, I will pray while I eat it so that the hand that give this to me will be blessed. Right? So thank you very much. You have something to eat already for yourself, right?
Yeah, I was eating when you come. Anyways, you're welcome. My name is Kay. What's your name, sir?
They call me Fire Roy. Right? So thank you again, and hope you're blessed short life, right? So there's a standpipe down the road. I will stop and drink some water with it, and this will hold me because the kids in the yard and they're hungry. I have to food for them, so I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna try to find a day work where I can get some work for the day, and then we're all right with Jah blessing. I'm just walk out for a morning, so it's been a long road. So I'm just get real hungry. Coming out eating breakfast, man. I feel like I'm going to drop down. So this week, by the time catching road, can drink some water with this and it will work. Thank you again.
Yes, and better days are coming, okay? And I'm sorry.
Hello? Yes, girl. You're lucky, you know. I just put on told for go bed, you know. I'm lucky you get me. All the bonnet me have to put on my head. Because I just don't hear me don't want to wake up. Anyway, what you say? No, girl, I hate that. Where you getting my story there from? Who? Okay, how can you tell them something there? Girl, I like you tell. And besides, where you get K number? Me say I like you tell how me to go sleep with your man. And me know say you okay done me something there for me. Look how much things you do for me. I'm to go bright and sleep with your man. Girl, don't be foolish. I like you tell. She ain't go. Put on my clothes. Mr. Girl, you know what girl can go do. So, you go call the woman a friend and go tell the woman about how me and sleep with her man. Say, see, I like here and the clothes that my woman carry down to we not want to get them. After we do bleach, for the sitting there. Watch me girl. Oi, wake up. Oi, wake up. Wake up.
Yeah.
Wake up. Watch out. What you call it?
Yeah. Beat her. Beat her. What am I doing?
Beat her. What you call it?
Beat her. Yes. Kill her.
Oh, you chat.
Kill her. What am I doing? What am I doing?
block it. Go by. Come on. Fire and I hear for your head. Yeah.
Stop that, sister!
Kill him. Kill him. Kill him!
Kill your granny!
You shot too much, man.
Oh, me just sister, you're not up! Oh, my God! Oh!
Look at him!
No, leave me alone,
Kill her! You call him one of our friends. Go tell the woman about how me and sleep in the man's back.
Well, which one?
Yeah, Charles.
Which one that?
You're too wicked. And you are going like you don't know.
Me,
Kill him.
I know me, and she, I know me, sister, I know me. Sister, you know me love you, but I never hurt you. Sister, which one of her? Sister, no, sister, no.
Kill him,
No,
me
sister,
say.
you can't talk it out. I know me, I set up.
See, you, when I'm not here, no near, no close to get. Kill him! Kill him! Kill her, yeah! Kill her! Yeah! Yeah! Stifle him! Let me hurt you. Stifle him! Over the head! Stifle him! Where your mommy come? Where your mommy come? I didn't see them. Where your mommy
We never call nobody a furry. We don't know a furry number.
How that? I want. She on her room. Good night. You don't want good night. Good night, can't put my belly. Why? You want her back home? You don't know where she lives. So yes. No.
Girl, I want your cake. I want your girl. Get up and stop crying. I want you. Girl, I don't understand. I want your sister them a deal with me so yeah. Girl, I want your sister them. I want them a be a... Yeah, talk about behave strong in the night, yeah? You know, understand what me I got you on a daily basis. They don't treat me good, girl. Sometimes I just feel like I just commit suicide. Imagine say they maltreat me day and night. I say, my mother, she's no better as a mother. Understand? Sometimes they cook and leave no food for me. Then beat me after I wash my dirty clothes. Then tell her upon me and set me up and fight me up. Girl, I tell you that, you know, you saw the same ice cream cake we buy for my birthday. Them eat it up and to leave none for me. What? What you say to me, girl? My ice cream cake come take my money and buy. What then get on the normal? Barbie, you don't understand what I got through. I got through worse. When I just know me have an ear upon my head. You see my ear? I'm see my sister them trim my ear until I sleep. When I wake up, I see my lap after me. A peer separation and maltreatment I go through. You don't understand? You talk about ice cream cake where your money buy. You talk about my life when I fear. Pray God. If you didn't just take from me like that. You understand me? Tired. Take me and run away. Girl, I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to run away. Girl, I feel the pain from within my heart. But don't worry, I hear I threw them got you. Something they out there for you, I hear, don't worry. So what are your plans? What are you going to do? You can't stay in Lisa life, yeah? I cannot. Girl, I cannot. Seriously, I cannot. Right now, I want some money. You can lend me some money for a runway? I promise me I'm going to try work and pay you back. Please, my friend. I want some money. Don't worry, girl. Yes, you want some money? I don't really have much for me tonight, but as a friend, what you say, you don't have to give me back nothing. Try better off yourself, girl. I can't stay in this life, yeah. Them too bad mind. Go out there and find something better. But girl, why can't hide this from me so long I'm your best friend? Huh? You should have tell me this, girl. Sure me no want to stress you. Sure me no want to stress you. No stress. But anyways, this have to go pause right here, so yeah. We link up back again because we need to find out already see you. Alright, my friend? Thank you, sweetie. Alright. Thanks for your support. Yeah, man. Every time. Take care of yourself. Before you go out or you go by yourself? No, man, me good. We don't want you in no confrontation with them for the night. Just stay in your room, alright? Alright. Well, good and be safe, eh, girl? Same to you, alright? Alright.
Take it up, take it up, take it up. Curious King. We all have a problem. Jamie Wood. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve the problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than all you love the other.
Hello, Barbie. Yeah, man, morning. Guess what, girl? Remember I told you that I'm gonna run away this morning? I'm actually start my journey. You understand? So, may I head somewhere? I'm not even sure about. You understand? But just, I'll be fine though. And I'll keep in contact with you. Alright, girl? And thanks for the good change you gave me last night because I really appreciate it. Thank you, girl. Alright, later.
Okay, where really I go?
There's some me run away. I tell nobody do it now. Come on, understand I love talk. I tell nobody. Understand me don't just away from taxi how long I can't get me ride.
You tell me live life in your yard and run away.
Listen, I could not live good life when I run away. That makes sense. For information, me I go through a whole heap of things over house. Who does say me I live life? Don't judge a book by the cover. Me I go through LD right now. Me sometimes let you to know food to eat. I feel wash people clothes. I'm not even aware. Maltreatment, disrespect, day and night. You understand? Now my father place, my father dead and gone. So thou shall not judge. Don't judge me and say me I live good life. That's a call good life? Huh? Let you to know food to eat. Disrespect from my own mother who birthed me. You don't understand, sir. Mind your own business. They don't understand. Alright, man.
But, me a come me general. Look here, me never see you.
Better. See, I'm lying here and if you will live longer.
Yeah, there you go. You go suit your sorrow.
I try to hear one. Drive good, ride good.
Alright, I'll check my key. Soon come back. I'll make sure she wants to play it then. Alright, Katie. What's up? How me Nancy? No, what's up? Sis! Sis! Call your phone, hurry up. Sis! Sis! Call the hurry up phone. Hurry up now. Like I know what's going on. What happened? Hey, look, I know down what I should think they're gone. When I come to you now. Me not call up for yourself. You call mommy, not call her. Listen, don't call her. I have no money to let her the window open this morning. Hello? Mommy? You see care this morning? No, I don't see her. I don't see none of her clothes them. Me don't know. Brittany just grown, they go look for her and she not around here. Alright. Mom, so we go look for Kay.
Who? Me? Not have time for that.
Sorry. Sleep.
Hello? Yes, cause morning. I reach the place now. I want shop where it's a fashion show on the door. I think I it man. So I'm gonna come through the lane now, but watch the dog them, you know. Cause I don't want a dog bite me, understand? Yeah man, I'm glad say someone must come by your place, come stay for some time. I understand, I really appreciate that. Thank you, my cousin. You are the best. You understand? Because I was like next to homeless. Alright girl, I'm so forward, you hear me? Thanks again. Alright, cool.
Yeah, that me I tell you my daughter missing, me no know where she gone. Okay, me attack. Yeah. Me don't know which part she gone, no care how me look for her. Everywhere me look, me can't find her. Me just don't know what else to do right now. She just missing. Yeah man. Alright, cool.
Mine. What's too busy, me now?
No start with me this man here. Just because I can't remember that means I don't have to take set for me. No can't take no set for me, man. Yeah, I'm supposed to wash clothes soon. You know, I think to wash clothes soon. You know.
Girl, you may pull out me here.
After me the business. I don't care. Me notice a Frankie gone. Most of the things I'm in the house and want me to do. But it not go work. Me I care two different somebody.
I have to check the little filly there to make her like me, you know. Hold on, over here, so they say I deal with though.
You know, say one big woman out there shop them I check car from how there she like me, you know. And if you want to stick to your little girl, stick to her as it. A big woman might think they no money I make, you know.
Well, she like me and me like her, so I sense me a waste time. You see me, so stick to your big man and me stick to my young girl. So we say I play ball come on.
No much man, anything, you know.
Alright, around 4 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock.
Yeah man. Can I see me 5 o'clock, just check me 6.
Oh.
And buy some new boot, you know.
Morning.
Morning.
What did you?
No. No, she not there here. You know, today is Wednesday, so she gone up on the road. I just want shopping and things.
Can I come in?
You can't come in, man. Come.
You don't miss me?
Of course, I miss you.
You could have called me and tell me say I wash my car too and my clothes them come.
Sure, play with me. So yeah, so you're good.
Yeah, me alright. And worse, me safe. So that just make the morning well nice. So can I go inside go talk?
Sure.
Go on.
I can't stay long because madam waiting for me.
What they do?
So where you come so early? I don't put on a morning face yet. I not even look. You see me look? I don't like when I see me this away here.
Well, to be honest, I love to see you anyway, you know. Because I look forward to when me and you live in the future. Can I get up and see your natural beauty face said way, so like to see you anyway.
See, I love going for you. What one, sis?
Oh, so this around you do?
What? I clean up and you come look for me.
Morning.
Morning, I'm telling you to wash stoops that close, but you can't wash them, but you can roll and kiss.
Me I don't work at for nobody, so don't do it. Don't do it.
I make sure mom not gonna get you. Because she say, you're a good boy, you know. I love my sisters about one thing. My mother love money. Yeah? So try to get yourself some money. And you know this not gonna work.
What make your sister happy?
Let's see the choir.
Make your sister happy.
Me not hear then. Come again.
You hear what man say, you're not repeating yourself.
So happy this year look?
Yes.
So I'm to money?
Yeah. I live my life for only, you know, I live for myself.
I don't know what I'm doing now though. You hear me, you know? You have to go wash my clothes once I go tell mommy, you know. I don't want to do kissy.
I say sister can.
Yeah, so she stays. She don't like seeing nobody happy.
Alright, I can't go man, that just brought my vibes. But if anything, I can check in the evening or I call it. If your mother there hear me call out, if you're not there, I can check it.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Girl, I can't believe you. You're my sister. You're my sister, you know, and you try to fight me out.
So how you imagine like a bull for?
Look at the amount of time I do things and I still not tell mommy. And you look at something that come carrying me in the house. You want to tell mommy? Understand?
Are you me can't believe because me I pull out my hair from mine and I beg you wash. Oh, white shirt, I want white shirt.
Hello,
wash out for me.
me tell you this. Me not busy boy your head.
Just make sure.
Me not busy boy your head. Me a wash, me not wash you. Me not wash you. The outer and bright.
Just make sure you wash out it for me or else mommy I go down.
Alright, things you see secret them me have fear, me will leak them then. But that you do.
Them they told them.
Because you're not good. You're not good. Your heart black and it dirty.
Thank you. You're so, what a good compliment to give me.
You can stay there.
I love it, that's what I said, no, I love it.
I mean, I wash them, I mean it.
You go there, man.
Imagine, the youth come here. And we have a nice time around this stuff.
But let me tell you something. You know some mommy love money. And you know mommy now got approve of him.
So me ask you a question. Am I in a relationship for?
I bet your mommy mash up you.
Mash up what?
I bet you. Where you bet? Come make a bet. Come make a bet.
Me and I make no bet.
Come make a bet.
Because me run away. Me come out of this.
But mommy I go mash up.
Mash up what? Mash up herself. No come mash up my relationship.
Mommy I go mash up you.
I look upon you too. The fear hug. Come match on, come on, this a call interrupt. I make you gone. After two, you have a nice time on this way, you know.
So what kind of nice time you want to have? More nice time you want to have? Eh?
You see you're not good.
Eh?
You
see the young black?
I mean, I like you. Me don't like you, I mean, hate you.
Thank you.
Me don't like you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Girl,
you stay there.
enough people don't like me, so all I have to do is just join the line. Join the line now.
Join the line. You see you?
That's the
Fear time soon coming up. Me now while you. Fear time soon coming. If I go tell mommy I go tell him I don't care. Me not left him. And mommy can't make me left him because me not going to leave him.
Hello, me pull up here and me can't bother with the yapping because me not hear no what you say. I don't hear nothing what you say. So I better just go on.
And just because me and the police said that means so if you take it for me, you know.
Who takes it for you?
As son used to do to Kay. That you usually that's
No,
why she
no,
run
no.
away.
You used to help do it too.
No. That's why she run away. And that me go do to me, I go run away. What she do and hit me, I go do. No, me see what she did her face. No, me see what she did her face.
No, yes, and you there put her through it.
Who put her through it?
Help. You were helping her.
See you? Me not feel now what I'm put in her life. Me I tell you that. Remember me tell her that.
I'm going to take care of your man issues and come out of my room.
Alright, no problem. I can come back in your dirty room.
Papi, you have something to do. Because your man have money.
After that, we take. Hello? Yes, Barbie. I came on. What's up? Well, I'm not good enough. Girl, I pay a problem. Imagine say a day when I run away. You say, okay, I'm going to go one place. Go say one of my relatives them on my father's side. You understand? It turns out, say, where I go, my cousin, man, I try come after me, warn me, I touch up me. And I tell my cousin she don't believe me. She say, oh, I want her man would never do that to me. So I have to leave right now up on the road. I want someone to go, someone to leave my head and get some rest. But girl, I don't know what to do. Honestly. That's why I call her right now. I can come by you. Why say I can come? You gotta think about it. What you say, girl? You gotta think about it? Think about it, man, and get back to me. Cause, girl, I want some of the steam. I want some of the rest of my head. You understand? Because things that get from bad to worse. Poverty and stress and disappointment. I don't know.
Sorry.
I'm gonna call you back. Alright, thanks.
Your face look familiar, man. Where know you from? Your face look familiar. Oh! Back in the days, I was walking down the road and beg and end up in your yard. They give me some bread to eat.
Really?
Yes, remember man.
Why do you say them again? I think of fire raw, yeah,
Fire raw.
or something fire.
Yeah, man. Me see man. Yeah, man.
Oh my
No,
God.
respect, man. So
You recognize me though?
yes. And you know, say, luckily enough, when we go down at the standpipe and I drink some water and thing, we buck up and a piece of paper in the road
Really?
with some number on it. And I buy the number them and win the lotto. Yeah, man, for real, like. So this plot I went upon now, I own part of it. And we put off some of my money on one place. So what's going on? We have so much bag, we have a runway. But thank you for the piece of bread that they saved my life. Because we never stop moving at the right place at the right time. So what is that one for you? Tell me your story, because my story is so nice like yours.
Yeah, full of jokes, you know, from embassy. Anyways,
Alright.
anyways, I'm gonna tell you. Nonetheless, I'm gonna tell you. You understand? It turns out, say, where I was staying with my family, my siblings and my mother, there was very abusive. So it turns out, say, me run away far, and I'm not to stay right now. I stopped down at my cousin place, and I'm gonna touch me up and I say, may I tell lie, not go so on. I'm back at excitement and drama when you understand? Right now, I want somewhere to stay, somewhere to lay my head on.
Don't say a word more, man. You don't have to explain too much details to me. You should just like I was at the right place at the right time. No, you're at the right place at the right time too. Because if me tell someone with money, that means I have money. So don't worry about it. But more you have to do. More you do, you have education.
Yeah.
I'm going to get more education by education. I'm going to send you to school. I'm going to interest you step of yourself, right? So one thing I say to you though, let this be a lesson though. You see the good way though, then it's going to be paid back full. But what you do though, keep your head for your body and make sure so when somebody has come and want help, you give them help. Because it must be a chain event. Good have to always overcome evil. So all of the bad times they go through, we'll make it better. To starters, I go give you a house for yourself. Because I have like 9 houses now. Because I real money with Nylata. I'm going to do good investment with the money. So I'm going to give one of the house them because you do good when you never have to you take your last food and give me. So I'm going to bless you. Right?
You're joking?
No, I'm not. I don't run joke. You don't smell laughing. So you're laughing. So it's good. Be happy. You're at the right place. You're at the right place at the right time.
Amen.
All the things in this year?
That one year and that 1 year, sir.
Come on. Come on.
So why you so sad?
Alright.
Wow, you and the man left already?
That's all the thing about man. Me not chat about no man. Just not have me, just not feel good. You're no good mood.
Oh, my apologies. What is the one?
And yours are mine. You know, don't chat to me.
And make your man left you.
So come. Hello?
Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Where are you with?
I'm there, lady. I'm good.
Where are you with?
No, I'm there. I'm good.
Yeah, man. Where your schedule set for today?
Yeah, you can forward.
I wonder if you could have do me here for me, please.
I tell you.
Alright, give me next 20 minutes.
Alright. When I send for my phone, don't touch me.
Hello, so where money there? So you not get paid?
I may get paid for no my man. I want the man head for your problem or your business.
You never get at you with $5 before,
Don't worry yourself. When me I get to you, no know.
Me have to know, because I know everything. You don't know me enough. I'm going to get something to drink, yeah? I'm not going to do myself.
When no man know why you.
Brittany!
Oi!
Come here. Look at me. Oh, go on. Looks so nice, my man.
What is it?
So I'm fine what you want to talk to you, but anytime they be free, then my mom feel like a man on me, I come to you, isn't it? Yeah, I find what they still, I mean, I see, isn't it, be like a half and thing, isn't it? But the anytime they be free to tell it. But can't tell you now because more mature, isn't it?
Since you say you like me long time, why you never tell me? You're waiting me gone now in a relationship. Anyways, I can't go talk long because my boyfriend soon come I go doing here. So, therefore go on. You should have told me that long time. Now I'm in a relationship and by the time I had them, one time it's too late. Therefore go on now because he soon come.
Today you're going to take a motor fast. You can pump on the side and
Look here, I don't want a relationship, I don't keep no bone. I don't put no man
I
on the side.
I understand you say, but what if your boyfriend a cheat on you?
Well, that's different. If you need a cheat now, I would have left him because I'm not telling no man will cheat on me. You're crazy. Go on. Well, that's different. If you need a cheat now, Me would have left him. Maybe he would have a chance to be there with me. But me now a relationship now to go.
Alright then, that's it. Alright then. Later, yeah.
Later, bye.
Cause you know look beautiful. You look nice, man.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna see your sister from in the spa today.
I don't know. To tell you the truth, wake up in the morning and none of we no see her. Mommy gone a country all over the place. She look for her. No, she can't find her. You know what you say? I guess she run away.
Why? The friendness still far. Where you come from, still?
I don't know that.
From here for primary school.
Go to it. Go to this one.
I will still have the bonding. I like you still, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I go and sit up.
Bobby.
Yo!
Awan.
Baba, Asha?
Yeah, looking for clean up.
Yeah, man, look at clean up, trick is not.
Because when I say one of the things you come and still feeling your podcast more, I did that good thing to still. Yeah.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to like my girl on the road, but she have a man as me. But, me tell the girl, say, what if you man a cheap and he say, when I left him, I maybe we have a child, we left to more do. More, you know me a talk.
Yeah.
Good man now, so me can get the girl.
No problem, a long
Yes,
time.
okay.
No problem, a long time. I tell yourself to get one girl, you know. So if cook by the cook and I let you have to do, no problem because I'm up to it. You must have a girl at Christmas time now. You know why you're single. She look good?
A nice girl, me I tell her. If I would come to you if you do this. I want a nice girl, me I tell her, because if I don't want a nice girl, I would come here to you do this after me. I want a nice girl, me I tell her, man. She's nice.
Oh, better?
Yes, I'm one time in my life. Look at this button, man. That's how I come here to you to make you help me with this. Yes, I can't do it.
Yeah, man, better. Of course.
It's funny in eyeglass.
Of course, cause I can't do it. Let me say, me and family, no man. Yeah, man, I understand what I'm
doing.
And now I'm a prayer, man. No, so I'm coming and go, yes, sir.
Alright. Well.
I like it?
Yeah. Thank you. So you say I go on now? No, go on now and wash up. Alright, love you.
Love you more.
Alright. And mine up. No man come over here. Here.
Hello. Yeah, you never know. You can't meet him on the road. How you know? Alright.
Aye.
I see you cute. Oh my god.
Why you do that?
Can't move saying I like a man.
Yeah, me like woman, but I already have someone.
No, don't do that. Any girl you have to go dash them because of me.
Man, me woman can't see.
Me like this silly boy. Come here now.
Come on now.
Come here now.
Which way you come from?
Where mom come from? Right, don't get rid of this. I never see me yet.
No, I first may I see it.
I see you're nice. You mix.
Yeah. Thanks, but you're not here playing me here like that.
We
Me
can
no
give
want my
number.
girlfriend. Eh?
Give me a number. I like
We
you.
only can be friends. If you look me not give me number.
I see you come like a teddy bear.
Come
You're
on
nice. Oh my god. Give me a number now.
Don't
Hello,
text
me no look
me.
money now. Just give me your number. Me no look money now, but me just say you look nice and I could have passed you. Want a number?
As I tell you, I can give it, but you can't text me and they look me because me have a give it.
Give me.
799
799.
27
Yeah, 27.
58.
58.
Can save it as Puppy Dan.
No, me I save it as sweetheart.
Come
Come
here,
here,
Nadi.
you find your woman. You hear that? Wow.
Just calm down now.
Go on up here, so what you go on up here,
Be
so?
calm down now. I don't know like what you think. Calm me. I don't know like that, B.
Don't touch me.
I don't know like that.
Want your girlfriend now? Let me go.
B, come here now. I don't know like what you think.
Let me go. Cause this is up here. Go on to your woman about. Go on to your woman now. Hey. Go on to your woman, man. We're done.
Brittany.
Okay.
There.
What do you want?
Can't come in guys or not.
Alright, come in.
So,
Come to face me.
no, say I come to have a reason to still. Alright, remember what day when I tell me say, we link up on the same thing, me tell me say, if you catch him a cheat, you have a chance.
Get you a cheat, my man?
Yeah, you have a chance. But you catch him a cheat for day, so you come back to know what is what.
And?
You come back to know what is what.
Look here. Me forgive him because he said no know not where they take place. He not even know the girl. You see it? So me forgive him. So you can go on. Well, tell the truth. Sorry for waste of time. And
See, I tell me say I waste my time come over here, so.
I guess so.
Alright then, anything else is still, so later.
You go first.
Hello, Barbie. Boy, I don't know, say mission fail. Yeah, me I tell you, say, I go back to him because remember the same thing I make you do. I go back to her and she make me know say you forgive him. See me? So here more you have to do for me. You see any nice late girl you see on the road, I don't want no more girl, I want big woman. So any other big woman, any big woman I see, just give them my number. Cause I waste my time go over here and you want to tell me what I don't want to hear. So here I buy one new chip, but I go buy a phone. But I stop use a chip here. So I go give a number but they on the new chip. to give whoever interested. Ready? 210-46-57. Alright. Because I'm going to dash this phone now. And a chip. So yeah, I'm going to link you. Yeah. Alright.
Sister.
Brother? Why are you here?
You know I said you don't know where I live. Don't know not pretty at all, you know.
Okay.
I'm from other day me admire the house, you know. You understand? So me always see it lonely, nobody know too really over here. So I say me I come over here come check you some food, you know.
How interesting is that? Well, guess what? This is my house. My house. You want to know the full facts? Someone assisted me back. A good Samaritan. Are you shocked? Where are you?
I'm not shocked, I'm panic.
I always said to you that nothing lasts forever. Things must change. I was suffering at home and God gave me assistance. God brought help to my rescue. Do you understand?
But me never treat you bad, I didn't understand.
Yes, but so you're still a thief then? Me catch you up. This is your house?
But in my dream, stay in my dreams.
What?
But in my dreams, stay in my dreams. Now stop your thief until I'm dead.
Your funeral is one funeral that I will never attend. Never! And if you stop it, man. Raj, why you behave so, Raj? From ever since you're a thief and can't stop thief.
Because when I grow up, never nobody forgive me no. Parents never respond to me.
Anyways. Why you say hungry?
I want some food.
I don't understand. Get up. Food you want? Food I shall get. Walk with me downstairs. This is the way. Follow me. Walk up now.
So walk up.
And Raj, you need to stop the stealing. You need to stop because today I could have killed you, you know?
That's it.
For invading my privacy and this is my property. You need to be more careful because I could have murdered you. Just like that. And you're my brother.
That's why you have to look before you leak. You can't just leak so not look.
Anyways, come. Come on. Raj! So actually I have some soup. Do you drink soup?
What kind of soup? Chicken soup?
Chicken foot soup. Yes it is.
No chicken back so.
I said chicken foot.
Yeah, me drink some. More, yeah.
Wash out the plate.
So no big up here in the day.
Boy, you're gluttonous from ever since.
For money, me not food, no.
Just take some. Because you know that I love my food.
From me, I grew up. You know you love the food. I say stop me for my hand for one dumpling, you know.
I did what?
You don't remember?
Anyways, the past is in the past. And we have grown now, you understand?
You stop there.
It's in the pepper, but I don't think of any butter pepper here. This is your house.
No, people not look for.
You can't look for things like that. You want this?
No, man, the pepper don't look old.
Alright, come on out with me. How it taste?
Want to look pepper do it. Want to look salt kind of fresh.
Alright.
You feed up here.
Don't worry, just have a seat right here. Oh boy. So what's up, brother?
Boy, I'm there. I got through a tough life, you know.
Really?
Tough life, tough and rough and bitter and saggy.
Well, that's just life. Well, that's just life. Persons have to go through hardship to reach to where they really want to go, as in happiness and success. So just take it slowly. Okay?
You remember say, some of my people are rich, you know. Some of them born in a gold spoon. So some of them not go through rough life like how me I go through rough life, you see?
You think so?
Me I tell her that.
Okay. Growing up for me was never easy. Never easy. Living with my mom from I lost my dad is just hardship. Maltreatment, pressure, you understand, disrespect, disappointment, embarrassment. It has been hard for me. But I always tell myself that things have to get better. You understand? Things have to get better. My treatment there was like I was living near hellfire. It's like I want to go to heaven, but hell is preventing me. That's how I felt at the time, brother. It wasn't easy, but I push. I trust God, understand? And I display humanity. Help persons as much as I can.
In a real life, man.
You understand? So what I want for you now is just to take it easy.
What you mean? Take it easy. Remember, you know, I don't have nobody to feed me, you know. Every night I have to go up there, rob, stick up people, broke shop, run out from police and bad man. So what you want me to do?
Does that help, brother? Does that help?
Well, that
Does crime and violence help? Does that help, brother? Does crime and violence help? That's why Jamaica can't better, because persons and your thinking poor mentality. You can't be thinking about doing that because you're undergoing, let's say, disappointment or things are not turning the way you want it to be. You honestly need counseling. You need assistance. I'm willing to assist you, brother. But first, you have to promise me, say, okay, sis, I'm willing to change. I'm willing to adjust myself. Because I can assist you financially. What about a business? Do you want to start a business? Anything I want.
What kind of business?
Anything I want to start, I'll assist you with the startup capital. You understand? I'm not short though.
Wait. You know, what kind of business? Business, no business before pleasure, but differently though. If me not rob, me not eat, you know. So me have to rob, but me can't eat.
I understand, but this thing needs to stop. There is a solution to whatever problem you're facing. Okay, brother. I'll assist you with whatever business, but first, do you have any documents?
No, me each paper alone. Don't have no idea on theory.
Well, I can assist you with that. And from there, I can like open an account for you where I can lodge you some money. You understand? things will be better.
Account.
Yes, I can. Just finish up your soup. I have this with me. Since you just pop up on me, this is what I can actually give you. Just go and roll it, you understand? Put it in your pocket.
Thanks. So I'm love you, saying, sister.
I love you more.
And I'm a top thief.
Anyways, brother, this is just $1,000. Use it to help yourself for now.
Yeah, man.
You understand? I'll send you some money ASAP. Alright?
Yeah, man, thanks. I love you. Yeah, God bless you.
So as I don't eat, you're gone.
No, man, God bless you for everything you do for me. God bless you.
No, I'll walk with you outside. Oh my God. When will you change, Raj? I'm so tired.
Miss K,
Who is that?
project data.
Okay, cool. The grill is open, so just come.
Okay.
Alright?
Good evening, Miss K.
Hi, good evening. Have a seat.
Good evening, Miss K.
Hi, good evening. Have a seat. Well, can I trust you?
Yes, Miss K.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okie dokie. Well, guess what? This is 25,000. Hold on to it. Give this to your mom to assist with medication, get herself some food and stuff like that. Okay?
Yes.
And please ensure that she's eating and resting. She's a good employee and she deserves the best. Sounds cool.
Fine.
Alright. You ready to leave now?
Yes.
Alright. Come.
$25,000. Me not even had nothing can buy a little juice. Me not even had nothing can buy a little juice. Sake of them blasted. Brittany! Come here and tell Alias me call her too. Boy, oh boy.
Yes, mommy.
Hey, you sit down there, sir. Who put that towel here, so?
How my towel?
How my towel? Me saw no full of attitude to you, see.
Where you money?
Give you which money? I say, can you make me and fear go use up all of this money and say, can you now war over man? What kind of friggin' man on the day war over your pop people pitney hand?
Mommy and she first started, me see her up there, I play my boyfriend here. And him a cheat on my next one too. So me do something about it.
Mommy, me tell him long time if you left the girl work this boy, but he not here matter about love this and love that.
Leave him alone.
You hear you? You see all you? You come talk about boyfriend this and boyfriend that. Where the boyfriend they now? Eh? When they? The boyfriend have money for go pay for the broke the girl hand where you broke? Eh? Eh?
No.
Where boyfriend then? I saw me treat to know, I saw me grow no. Eh? For the road about to not fight over man. Eh? Where boyfriend then? One little money when me get from foreign now, we not go eat.
Mommy, I not give her no money. Can you use the money I feed we? Hey, just give me one liquor. Give me money.
If you ever.
Mommy, I'm so we live. I'm not.
Aliyah, you tell me say you behave same way like a child here.
So when I get her money, when me go eat, me not busy about Brittany, I only care about myself and you.
So you come grab you want money. You are come but you want money.
Can you break a girl hand?
Oh, you better care about me too.
You know, so I have to care about your mom.
But we don't know where we are going to eat now. Because the little girl are come for the money. You don't see your time hard with me.
But when I take your money, go get her, when me eat, me don't.
So, cuz, where you going to people in your hand?
You can't really ask that, bro. You know, see my hand ban up, man.
I know say your hand ban up, yes. But I don't understand why you are going
This
to do
sweet
that.
girl. Yeah, because she broke my hand.
Your hand broke for you?
I think I joke. Me feel
Hush no. But how you manage to make a girl break your hand? Me tell you to do one simple something, you know.
because my mom and the girl big and chopped, you know. They expect me to do. Fight him.
So you know see girl I could run.
Me a bad girl, me no run from girl.
And you still make a girl beat you up. What kind of bad girl be?
Don't worry about my broke and me I get money, boy. And see me sue them. A big money, me sue them too, you know. But then I get none. Cause you should have give me money too.
Oh, if I never me, you would have get.
Like, come and go up a girl yard because me sue them and them say them rather give me the money than go to jail. Someone you did it as witness.
Alright then, come on then.
Well, me no know when I go eat you know. Because Barbie, if you come for your money anytime now. You hear me I tell you? Oh.
So how much money I get?
I don't know yet, bro.
Yeah, me I wait for you to say you go. So not.
Miss Betty!
Man, shut up yourself.
Miss Betty! I suffer. Miss Betty!
Yeah?
Come here, then, mom.
May I come there?
Shut up. Just give me 3,000 out of
3,000 leaks.
Calm down, woman.
Yes, my baby.
Yes, me come for your money, mom.
It look like I say I run me down for little money, so.
I'm not running down, but I know some other at me and me have medical bills to pay. Some want the money.
A long time I know your mother, you know. Long time, because we grew up as little pitney and run up and down about the place, so. Me can't take problem, you know. Yeah, you just run me down for little money, so I have so much money at that too. You can't just cut it down little.
Huh. Mommy.
Yeah.
Don't give her no money.
Don't
give her no money. Make sure go on her ways. Don't give her no money.
Give me money before I go back to the station and come back to the courthouse, you know. Because this time, I'm not going to no chances. A straight jail, me I send on, you know.
Who you send God jail?
Your daughter?
Who you that boy you go send me pitney God jail?
I can't send me God no jail.
Oi! Stop in eyes and go in our house.
But me help
because see, the little money I get from foreign now. See, because you may have to go take it, give people bo hand. Stop in eyes and go in this stuff.
You see, mommy?
You see me?
Kiss me, mom. I tell her to give girl no money.
I have to shut up and go in.
Good man. Alright, here.
One little money, girl, you can't just cut down the money now. Remember, say me and your mother grew up together. You can't cut down little money.
No, me can't cut it down.
I thought, boy, you go carry people go jail, lock up people and them something there.
Come, please, man.
Sorry, people can't sorry for no. I make sure you count it from time, because I don't want you go out the road and go say, I never give you a whole lot of money.
Give me the rest of the money, mom. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hey, don't drag no money from your mother never teach your manners. Thank you, Miss Betty. Thank you. I mean, should have said thanks because your daughter broke my hand. So what you mean by you never did for say thanks because your daughter broke? I notice you look up pitney. Nowadays pitney, you see a little red king pitney. You see a little red king pitney and you have no manners. You don't have no manners and that's why pitney pop your blasted hand. I have to take you all of my last little shilling car come give you. The amount of order. How was she there too? Brittany!
Yeah. Just because you see girl I go say I should have me broke. Sure. Stop it, make I do you the same thing. No, I can't do it. Can you feel some difference?
Set your foot good.
Mommy.
Set, girl. Set.
This is
Set your foot good.
This is set me foot and me set me foot.
You know what kind of law you just think that
Go on for me, man.
You not shoot me for.
Oi, you know about the law?
Mommy, you know about the law, mommy?
You ever ask me about if me know about it? You ever ask me about if me know about law? Eh? Assault the people.
Mommy, you don't love you, Harry.
Assault the people them
So why you lick me?
What you mean why me I lick you?
You forget it too.
Eh? You told me forget. Yo, you think I give me one give her that little money that me have a while ago? Eh?
Sorry.
Eh? When me ever get free buy food? Eh?
You can't go on the road and hustle
You
some
can't go on the road and hustle.
Sorry.
Eh? You're blinking man not if you can't find money and give to nobody. See there you put your problem. Shut up about your swingle. Swingle. You don't even know if you call word about swingle.
Oh, yeah, abuse so far.
See there, a good educated one who no make run gone left the yard. No care how me I look for her, me can't find her, say how no. All you two over there, so you see you.
You see my run.
Shut up.
What am I going to make for anything in the car?
Because you're always there closer to me and a chat. I only make me a fair give away all my money now. When me I go use to buy food and cook. Eh?
Yeah, stress.
Hey, work so educated more than Uno. Uno never stop. Listen me.
Yeah, stress me, mommy. Don't stop me.
Me I stress you.
Yeah.
Hey, we educated more than Uno two. Uno two we can't even wash good, cook good, clean good. Hey, we more educated than the whole of Uno. You see? Watch her.
Liquor, mommy. Liquor.
Hey, more educated than Uno to make it run gone. Eh? And me I look for her, me can't find her. Me don't know what me I go do like a work me I forgot look. I forgot come out and go look work again. Leave me something alone, Pitney. Look what you do him so far. You do what?
Why bridge don't get enough money?
I wish bridge you tell me about garbage. What you tell me for go to sell catches? You fry yourself. What you tell me for go do? About garbage.
Hey girl. Hi.
What's up?
Yeah. I'm here. I know I'm tired. We're tired. So you said you're going on the road, right?
Yes.
So you're going.
I have a client. I have a meeting with a client.
Oh. So
I want to speak with you.
want to speak with you.
Yes.
Okay, that's why you called.
Okay, so this is a big house.
Yeah.
The house wants to clean, but majority of the times I'm busy. My husband is not here, he's overseas, and I need someone to take care of the house for me. Someone wants a position, but I won't be able to interview the person, so it's impossible to do that for me in my behalf.
No problem.
Someone who's hardworking, devoted, and willing to get the task done. The person must like cleanliness because I don't like mess.
I know
The
that.
person must camp up and love my belly. You know that from high school days, right?
Yeah. I know that.
Yeah, so just interview the person
Okay.
and just get back to me.
Alright.
Once the person seems to be qualified, you just hire the person, my dear. Yeah, so must can cook because I love my belly. You know that from high school days.
Of course. Know that.
Okay, and make sure that the person is qualified enough, the most is suitable enough for this position.
Yeah, I know what you like, so no, you'll go far.
You're my best friend, and I trust you.
You can always trust me.
Okay?
Yeah.
And ensure that the person need a job, not want a job. I need someone who's willing to stay to do a living position.
Okay.
Because majority of the times I'm busy.
I know that, but
I'm busy. Parliament is stressing me. My God.
so what time are you leaving?
5 minutes time from now.
Okay, 5 minutes. So I
Anything
guess.
to drink?
No, I'm
Not
okay. I
thirsty?
can get myself drinks and stuff.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah.
I look nice though.
Oh, you look nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so weird.
Why?
Eh?
You're not used to me?
Yeah, me used to. But anyways, yeah. Like, you know, it's my first time like representing for you, like, you know?
Because
So-
I respect you and I know that you can get the task done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll try my best.
Someone who is sensible, mature, respectful,
Yeah, and you know, I know how to find that. So
God-fearing, because I'm a Christian, right? Must be God-fearing.
okay. Alright.
Close the grill.
Of course.
Best friends.
Alright. Be safe now.
Thank you, darling.
Okay. Oh, it's teacher. This is what I'm looking for. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. How can I help you? Miss Mackenzie is tonight?
Actually, she's not here at the moment.
Okay. You know, as one of my friends tell me, so I really need a help out here. Something man, may I ask if I could fill that position? You know.
But I can help you with that. She's my best friend, so I can help you with that. She been longing for a maid or something like that to cook her stuff, because she don't like doing it and stuff like that. I know what she's looking for, so I can just...
Yeah, because, you know, me used to work at the hotel them as a chef.
I can help you.
And I'm very good at cooking and cleaning and so forth, so.
Sounds good to me, but I have to try it out first. So you can just come in and just see what you can do and see what you got there.
Alright, yes ma'am, thank you.
Okay. You have a seat over there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can go over there and sit.
Okay, thank you.
So, where are you from?
You know, I'm from Sab. I'm from Sab.
Okay. Actually, I'm not the one who should be asking you these questions, but when she's here, she can answer that, all of that. But can't make you go and do what you have to do. Besides, I'm not the one who's going to pay you anything, as she own everything, so yeah, she will do that. So she gonna go deal with some business, like probably she get one meeting or something. So when she forward back, you have to go talk to her.
Alright, no problem. So where do I start? Over here, let's go.
Alright, this is the kitchen.
Okay.
Alright. You know, that's the stove, you know that everything, so the fridge, the food and stuff in there where you can cook. Which I think you can get started now because she's very greedy.
Alright.
I mean, also when she come back, she's gonna be very famished. She go hungry bad.
Yeah.
So you can prepare something now.
Me all look was something real nice. Cause as I tell them I have the whole hotel experience and stuff.
Alright, we believe in it.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Yeah, man.
do what you have to do.
Alright. And I didn't get your name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Britannia.
Britannia.
But they can call me Britannia.
Alright, nice meeting you, Britannia.
Nice meeting you as well.
Gonna cook up a storm.
Okay.
Alright.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna call her though.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
My baby.
Yeah?
Me get through with the job, you know.
You get through?
Yeah. So here what happen now? Me no want you to go back go to the people them shop go trust nothing. You hear?
Alright, I want me to go over to you now.
No man, no bother with that. Me I go talk to the boss and see if me can borrow money from her. Yeah?
Alright. So mommy,
Oi.
I want female boss employer. Come here, you say she.
Baby, me not hear you. Talk up.
You say, I want she, a female boss employer?
Yeah, you know, say some here say I want female at the boss. So, but me come here and me not see her. So, me I go and wait till me see her and see if me can borrow a little change from her. You hear me, baby? So nobody go to the shop. Go trust nothing.
Oh, so like I want big house in the door because it's an echo.
Yes, my dear, I want big elevator house. Ratted. Girl, it big or fat.
Alright then, just go and go and chop some food for me too.
Alright, me see what me can do, my baby. Love you, yeah?
Alright, mom, okay.
Alright.
Hi, good evening. You're the one that got interviewed today? Miss?
Yeah, yes.
My mother? My mother? Where are they?
Okay. Are you a hostess?
Where are they?
Are you a hostess, Kay?
My mother? Where are they?
Wait, Lord Jesus. I work here. Are you a hostess, Kay?
I'm from here. So where are they?
I come here because one of my friends tell me said them one lady up here need somebody for work, so I just come on.
Which is me.
So you're a host? Oh God,
Data, don't do that. When I wanted you to hug me, did you hug me? No, you hear me resent me, but no. Data, don't do that.
Okay, please.
I told you that I must overcome, and now you're here today for a job at my place.
Please,
unfortunately.
Forgive me.
Unfortunately.
Forgive me, my baby.
Forgive Daddy. Forgive Daddy.
Alright, forgive me for everything, my daughter. Please, may I beg you. Forgive me, okay?
No, wait. I know how it go. So why you here? Why you need a job or you want a job? Talk up.
Okay,
What's wrong?
I need a job, your sister them. I need to feed them and something. Nothing I want for me, okay? Please, my daughter, forgive me. May I beg you, please? Please, just forgive me, please. Okay, please, may I beg you?
Stop, yeah, I know me now. The forgiveness part, I'm not sure about that. I'm not Jesus, but we'll think about it, we'll pray about it. Come leave.
Please, may I
Come leave! out of my house. Come out of my house, lady. But love and this and that and whatever. But forgiveness.
You really are true.
Look how I didn't love you. I still love you, but come out still.
Cook something real nice.
No, I can cook. Although my lazy and I'm busy, I can cook. We'll get somebody. We'll think about it still, but come out.
You remember saying
Leave tomorrow. We'll call it tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll call it.
We'll call it tomorrow. The disparity, come out, man.
You beat one because
I said I think about it. I think about it. Why not forgive me? I'm never gonna argue. But I can't every single day. Come on, man.
your box or a kicker because
Remember your sister there. Please, me
I don't pray past me, man. Come on, sister weird with a name. I don't remember them. We'll call it tomorrow. Lady, we'll call it tomorrow. It's the first thing, man.
One more than all you love the other.
Look for you too.
You don't see the tears in the evil one
All
eyes.
We didn't need
Oh,
you.
you see the tears in the good one when she
Never have a favorite child. I must love all the children as one. Boy, you
She's
want
gonna be successful
Tell me,
now.
man.
She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now.
If you say more food to eat, if you get food to eat, and you can't tell me that because only you provide. First thing first, me tell her to be careful for me. And second thing, I'm not careful for you, I'm not careful for me. For me, I feel love stronger than your love, that may try to do. Hey. You know me, I want to I'm just missing hungry, you know. Mommy! Come to you. How are you? Come to you.
Well, I have to sit down for that one here, man. God, I have to sit down for that one here.
I'm here, cuz.
You are one.
Oh,
you don't know what I'm saying. Up at house when I go get the work. After I call you, I tell them I get through. Like that, take on my head now. You want to say somebody dead.
I want to fire already.
Fire me.
So I food then.
I'm going to get to carry out feeling baby. I tell you, say when time I done.
I'm a dead dinner. I'm hungry, no mommy.
Look at you. It's like how I'm stressed out. You're going to tap your eyes, you know. I know, say, me down there, I take it one time for the same time I hear somebody come around and ask you know what, I know if I'm me, when time I look around, I bet you're not going to tell me who.
Oh, who? Well, when your enemy them or something?
Okay.
Jesus Christ!
K.
Fui sister K.
Who no sister K? She want the big old house down there. I frightened. I listen to me having my hand drop out. I frightened. I don't care how me beg girl. I don't care how me beg girl. Me I beg her, please forgive me, girl. I run me out. Jesus. But don't tell me say I feel me fault. I ain't gonna call her no bad blessing for me. Because yes, you know. And I know me always I take up for. I know I call them bad blessing for me.
People go beg her some money.
Go beg her some money. I run the girl run me out. Run me like dog, I shame so till the girl run me out. You tell me to cheat.
You never tell me, no, you're a liar, you stop at mommy, no
I'm slap you with this. You never tell me to cheat nobody better. You girl me always pick up fine ya. You don't tell me to cheat nobody better.
Sit down, mommy, sit down, mommy. Sit down.
I try to say, I don't tell me tell her, I say, me a beg her, do just make me stay, cause me want to find food for you know. Girl still run me out. She still don't know what to do. Me don't know what we are going to do.
Me couldn't never war, you know, nobody cheat me mother so.
No war,
in a big position. Y'all have big old house. You don't want somebody to help you now.
So wait then.
You want to war, I might clap you with this too. But you want war.
Mommy, all these years they are provide food for her. And she really do.
Oh, she ungrateful.
She ungrateful, man. Ungrateful.
No, me beg her. All the time me cook nice food for them down there.
So I food.
And me say she run out.
You should run out with the part. You should have put the part.
Yes. Run out with which part? I say, can you make the girl come and hang me like that and fling me out there and the book. Run out with part. You love your belly too much. You want that? Eh? You love your belly too much. And you need hunger. Yeah, I must still need hunger. I come tell me about run with the pot.
But don't try to run with the pot. Make it run.
Run, you still a time to run. Run with which pot? Run with which blinking pot? Come on, please.
Come here, mommy. Come here. Mommy. Come go talk to your sister and say she will forgive me. I'm going to stop to her. Now go down on my knees and apologize. You should go on like that. You know business.
Mommy, I'm telling you all this.
I'm not calling about come more pot business.
I know pot this like. Remember I tell she made me drop right or some money? Me tell her say still after make she give me money we can go make him give me money.
Give your money before you talk say you want good on there and beg a girl. When I don't want to go on, when you before you talk say you want good on there and beg a girl.
So now I clean some of your money and run with it. What you forget?
Slap you with one of them egg girl. When I'm not thief, I run away with friggin' pot. All the on your mind is money, thief, this, and food. Eh? Yeah, go around this up. When you go around this and sit down. May put sense in the blinking. Pure foolishness, you don't know if you chat. And then you come blame me. Eh? You're dramatic. You're telling me you can't walk in the house with your ghost, so you're full of drama here. You're laughing. Hey! If I ever lick you with this,
just sit down and talk to me.
if you try for your face, watch him.
I'm hungry for two, mommy. You should have no.
You're lucky when I cook your pussy now. Jammy pussy will get dead.
No, I jammy pussy now. I forgot cook. Oh no, go have to cook jammy pussy now. Anyways, here what happened now. You see tomorrow. Well, look ahead. Sit down up. You see tomorrow. Me say fi sit down up.
Straight.
Listen me now. Hold your ears. Hold it so. You see tomorrow, we dey go do. Una go down there. And una go down for my knees and beg on sister. Una go beg her tell her say una sorry.
So me have to go back. Me hold it.
When you say can't go down for your knees, make sure you beg. Hold on the ears.
Hold it.
You hold it. Hold it good. You go down there and you go tell her say una sorry. I try not to hear me now. Una go down there and say una sorry. Beg her. Her heart.
Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a witch. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter. No, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. If you never got the fear, she wouldn't come. She wouldn't come if no juice never run. Be careful, oh, because the problem will never done. You're gonna face the judgment, sure as a shining sun. She's gonna be, yeah.
She kinda sick, you know.
Oh.
That gets worse now.
She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. Wicked mother,
I never know where Kaylee is.
wicked dada. Don't hurt the kids and no abuse, no abuse. I'm tired of this when I watch the news. Come on, come on, come on. Not if the road not going good. Not take a board, not down your daughter. I lick out a piece of wood.
Alright, just text me.
Yeah, me I'll text it to you. I'll just keep me posted later. Love you.
Alright, mommy. Mommy, I want big brown and white house. Yeah, you don't want Jeep in a yard. Alright, I'm fine now. Let's see her right now. Alright, me no more. Me not gonna far up. Alright.
Okay. Hey sister man, come downstairs, I want to talk to you.
I'm listening.
Come downstairs, I want to talk to you about something.
About what?
Something very urgent. Just come downstairs now.
Someone died?
Can't turn too far and show salt in a pot. Just come downstairs.
I will invite you to my yard. Huh?
No about that.
Did I invite you here?
Just come downstairs.
I'm coming. You have the nerves though to be coming to my place. You have the nerves. But I'm coming. Hello. Good morning. Detective Jones? Yes. This is Kay Shannon. Yes, Detective man, it's me. Yes, a sibling of mine is by my place. I'm not sure as to why. I understand because the person was abusive in the past. Yes, man, a sibling of mine. My husband, he's asleep, you know. He just got home from work about 15 minutes ago. Yes, Detective. Yes, man. You can come by now. Yes, man. Come. Understand? Because I don't know my sibling intention. Okay? Alright. Yes, the same address. Alright. Do that now, alright? Thanks.
You know, say, mommy send me to you.
Come over here. Nobody need up on my car. Come too close beside my vehicle. Stand right here, so.
I talk to you, vehicle not important.
I said right here.
Mommy send me to you.
Okay, well I can't talk in the sun. Let's just come inside.
Lead the way.
Come inside. This is the house. Anyways, don't watch the mess. My in-laws are here, so don't watch that. Okay, so some work to do. You can have a seat, you know. You can have a seat. So what's the emergency?
Well, Brittany is sick. And mommy send me to you. See if me can get $1, $2 or $3 million for carry her to a private doctor. Because she really sick.
Listen, 2 to 3 million for what? If she's sick, take her to the hospital. Simple. Are you trying to scam me here? Huh?
You mad, sis? Public hospital? You well I know so they not take care of people who they already. Besides, that's not nothing. $3 million not nothing for you.
Oh, we know say 2 to 3 million is a good bit of money for me. We know about my account. You watch me always at the time when you know about me. Huh? We know about me and accounts and money.
Come on now, sis. Look, you have 2 cars upstairs and downstairs house. Remember how me know that? Anybody would know?
Listen to me. I couldn't care less. I'm not Jesus. I'm not the provider. And guess what? If an evil catch pan fire, I would have piss pan on for out. No, never.
You look a wicked girl. After mommy piss you. No, wait. Mommy care for 9 months. And push you out. If you can have more to sit on there, so I check now. This you really said to me, not even want 30 grand. And me tell us your sister up there on deathbed. You see you? You see family see you? You know, say the wicked they just there.
What you just do? Try that again. Put on my glasses, cause it's expensive.
Oh, you're bad now.
Where just do?
You're bad now.
Where just do?
Let me show you, me just go. Me just go, sir.
This is...
Cut. Hey, break it up! Break it up! Listen. Listen.
Alright, sir. Come to my house.
You're Shannon?
Yes.
No, officer. I can show you my ID. I'm Keisha and I was going to call you. You're Detective Jones. I called you about my sibling. This morning I was telling them about your delivery.
Listen, turn around. You're under arrest for trespassing. You see?
But she wants $3 million to do this and to do that.
Alright, we talk. Listen to me. Come on. Trespass on people. Hey, listen to me. Don't blame me.
Disrespectful and rude. And don't return back here.
Don't you think you do that, Baba Shredder? You better give me, you think this is for the girl.
Alright, break it up. Break it up. He's a papa. Come here.
You lock her out.
Yeah, Shannon?
Yes, I am.
Eh?
Yeah,
I'm Kay.
lock her out.
I'm Keisha and I was the one who called the detective.
You call me.
No, me.
Come here. Turn around. Because when the thing say,
Good thing we come right on time, man. Jesus, you can't tell me bigger than come. Listen to me, we're not bring people. Hey, listen to me. Don't bother me. So you're not bring people for lock up? First of all, this is not going on. Come here.
But I'm coming out of nothing.
But you sit down, let me see you sit down for the girl when we come in here.
Take her out, Amusa, take her out.
Oh.
But she wanted to trim me and down.
They say you will not know yourself to get self against the wall, back against the wall. You know what I mean? Yeah. We don't know about the situation and what we're there now, right? So Christmas, we're in the New Year season. Please, I'm begging you to do me a favor. We have a supporter that's been supporting us for a long time. She have done a lot, you know what I mean, behind the scene to ensure that the things run so many times. You know what I mean? She deal with it. If I call upon her, she always there. So now, but she's doing a YouTube channel where she wants on support. So please go over to Empress G TV and subscribe to her channel. Watch out some of the things that she do, because she do cooking. This is for people who don't like to cook, but you can't watch somebody cook for a minute or two. You know what I mean? And so are some people who would like to cook and have some ingredients that's on our house there. There's something that you can learn from this channel, you know what I mean, in the terms of cooking. You know what I mean? She do a lot of different stuff in it, but the main focus is cooking and healthy living. And it's a time for a change when it comes to we can't do the chips and juice every day. You know what I mean? So chips and juice we cannot no use. You know what I mean? You have to do some natural food and some blend up and some baking and some this and some that. Take what you take and you go do what you do. So go back to Empress G TV. You know what I mean? Until I say I and I send you. You know what I mean? Make you know so the support is strong. So just do it for me, please and thank you. You know what I mean? Because the only way go work is to help each other. One movement. Coming new year, we have a lot of things to talk about. Because we'll start a membership. You know what I mean? So, about things go on as we go along. You know what I mean? One King. Remember the channel there? You can check out the same speed. Just do the best you can do. Richard Brown Flames. One movement. You know what I mean? Going it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. So big up to all of the cast members them and all of the actors and actresses them. You know what I mean? Because them keep fire blazing from that time. Hope you understand what I say. Yeah man. You go do what you do and you go take what you take. So anyway. Enjoy the rest of the night or day whenever you're done watching this movie, and stay tuned. Remember, say you can contact I and I at 825-1926 if you want anything to advertise. You know what I mean? You want to shoot your place, something can work out. You know what I mean? Because end of the day, you go do what you do and you go take what you take. Alright, so the camera person is freezing up because it's taking a lot of time. So let's go!
Take it up, take it up, take it up. Curious King. We all have a problem. Jamie Wood. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve a problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than all you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her with belt, sometime you fight her. You box her, you kick her because you not like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than all you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat for your own daughter. No, no, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. If you never got the fear, she wouldn't come. She wouldn't come if no juice never run. Be careful, oh, because the problem will never done. You're gonna face the judgment, sure as a shining sun. She's gonna be, yeah. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. Wicked mother, wicked dada. Don't hurt the kids and no abuse, no abuse. I'm tired of this when I watch the news. Come on, come on, come on. Not if the road not going good. Not take a board, not down your daughter, or lick out a piece of wood.